100 subscribers every single day on YouTube. It's probably not as hard as you probably think. In fact, in order to get 100 new subscribers every single day on your channel, you only need to get 3,333 views every single day. And if just 3% of those viewers subscribe to your channel, that's 100 subscribers every single day. Now, you might be asking how I'm qualified to give this advice. Well, I run 9 different YouTube channels. I've gotten over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I have multiple different channels getting over 1,000 subscribers every single day. So not only can I help you get 100 subscribers every single day, but eventually I want you to grow to the point of having channels getting over 1,000 subscribers a day. But this video is focused on exactly how to start getting 100 subscribers every single day subscribed to your channel. So if that sounds good, stick around and hit the subscribe button on my channel so that I can help you with YouTube regularly. So in order to get subscribers on YouTube, people first of all need to be looking at your channel. Now, the main way that people are going to find your channel is by watching one of your videos, and your videos surface on YouTube in a bunch of different places, namely in browse features, in the suggested video feeds, and in search results. Now, to get started on YouTube, I recommend trying to get into search results because that is going to be your easiest ticket to getting subscribers on YouTube fast, getting into search results. So how do you get into search results on YouTube? Well, I recommend using a tool like vidIQ, and I'll leave a link down below where you can get vidIQ for free for 30 days to find high search volume and low competition keywords to try and rank your videos for. This is also going to help you get a ton of video ideas for your videos as well. So once you have some initial search traction coming in to watch your videos, you want to make sure that your videos get seen by even more people. And the way to do this is to try to get into the suggested video feeds of already popular videos. But there's a key to doing this correctly. And the way that I recommend doing this is searching your niche on YouTube and then taking a note of all of the different popular videos that come up. Start producing content similar to these already popular videos using the same exact keywords. Make sure to say those keywords actually in your video so that the YouTube algorithm will sense that you say those words and pick it up. And also make sure to put those keywords in your title, description, and tags. And I recommend producing about 50% of your content targeted at low competition and high search volume key phrases that you can use by using tools like vidIQ. And the remaining 50% of your content creation can be aimed at modeling already viral content. So how often should you post? Well, it's way better to be consistent on YouTube than post a bunch of videos and then stop posting videos. It's way better to upload 10 videos over the course of 10 weeks consistently instead of uploading those 10 videos every single day for 10 days and then not uploading again for the next 9 weeks. Consistency really is key on YouTube, so find a schedule that works for you, whether it's 1 video a week, 3 videos a week, or a video every single day. But remember that more is better. But it's not just quantity that's important, but quality is incredibly important as well. Now, to make sure that your videos are seen as good quality within the YouTube algorithm, you're going to want to go into your YouTube analytics and look at an analytic known as audience retention. Now, do this for individual videos on your channel. Go through your audience retention graph, see where they drop off, and then see where they peak, and then do more things like what's happening in the videos while the audience retention peaks, and then do less of the things that's happening in the video when they go down. Now, if you do this over the course of producing 30 videos on your channel, then that's going to give you data to reflect on, and then your next batch of 30 videos is very likely to do even better. So now you have people watching your videos. Congratulations. But now it's time to make sure that they're actually subscribing to your channel. Because there are instances in which channels get a ton of viewers on their channel, but then they don't get an according amount of subscribers. Now, I want to make sure that that doesn't happen to you, and I want to make sure that you're getting over 100 subscribers every single day. So here's how to do that. So with your videos, you want to make sure that you have a verbal call to action to subscribe both at the beginning and towards the end of the video. So if, for example, you run a car channel, you can say something at the beginning of your video such as, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest car news. Or in my instance, I say that you can subscribe so that I can help you with YouTube regularly. And then at the end of the video, let's say that you have a car channel, you can say something along the lines of, subscribe to the channel so that we can show you the latest car facts and car lists every single week. And I like to say something along the lines of, if you got value from this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that I can help you with YouTube regularly. And I generally like to try to get at least a 3% view to subscriber ratio, meaning that For every 100 views on my YouTube videos, I aim to get at least 3 subscribers from those views, and you can monitor that within your YouTube analytics. So now let me give you a few things that you need to make sure that you're doing, and if you're not doing these things, it's going to be very hard to get 100 subscribers a day, but I can just straight up show you what works. So the first thing you need to make sure that you're doing is that you're only uploading videos in a single niche. Do not upload animal videos one day and then psychology videos the next day. Stay in a consistent niche. Upload only animal videos on your channel. Upload only psychology videos on your channel. The more niche down your channel is, the easier it's going to be to get initial traction on your channel. Now, that's not to say that you choose a channel that literally nobody's interested in. Use a tool like vidIQ, do market research, make sure there actually is demand for a given niche, and if you determine that there is and the competition isn't too crazy, then only upload videos in that niche. Next, make sure that your channel has good branding. Now, you can do this yourself using free programs like paint.net if you're on Windows, or Snappa, which has a bunch of awesome templates for creating channel art and logos, and I'll leave a link down to Snappa below as well. And in all honesty, you don't want to spend multiple days making the best channel art and the best logo ever. Honestly, I would just pay someone on Fiverr like $5 to make a logo, and it doesn't have to be the most professional thing in the world. The content really is what matters, but make sure that you do have some professional looking branding on your channel. Next, make sure that you have an actual value proposition for your channel. Now, I know if you're thinking value, you're thinking like, oh, am I going to be making tutorials for my channel or stuff like that? But no matter what type of channel that you're running, your goal is always to provide value to the end viewer of that video. For example, if you have a comedy channel, your goal is to entertain the viewer. If you have a top 10 channel, your goal is to keep people interested and keep people entertained. And if you run an educational channel, your goal is to keep people informed. So if you have a channel right now, or you're thinking about starting a channel, make sure that you have a value proposition for your channel. Make sure to actually write out exactly what your channel is going to be doing, exactly what your goal is with this channel, because if you do, this will give you a structure with every single video that you produce, every single video that you post on your channel. You have a definite aim with that video. This is going to be in your head every single step along the way in building your channel. And always think about things from a viewer's perspective. Think about titles that people are actually going to be wanting to search for. If you're just starting a brand new channel, it's going to be very hard to get views or subscribers. If you upload a single random gaming video, that's the same as millions of other gaming videos out there on YouTube. And especially if you title it something like me playing Fortnite, nobody's searching for that given search term. And search results are one of the biggest ways to get discovered initially on YouTube, and then leverage that to eventually get into suggested video results and absolutely blow up on YouTube. But first of all, you want to make sure that you're titling your videos something that people are actually searching for. Also, it's really important that your videos have high click-through rate thumbnails. Now, click-through rate is basically the percentage of people who click to watch one of your videos after seeing it in search results, browse features, and all of the other places that videos appear on YouTube. And in order to get a higher click-through rate, I highly recommend using a tool like TubeBuddy to split test your thumbnails and see which thumbnails perform better. Now, I'll leave a link to TubeBuddy down in the description, but basically what it allows you to do is upload multiple thumbnails on single videos on your channel, and TubeBuddy will show one thumbnail sometimes to some viewers and another thumbnail other times to other viewers, and it'll see which thumbnail gets the higher click-through rate and then keep that thumbnail. And you can do this over and over again, and you can get some insanely high potential click-through rates by doing this method.